receipt. Oh my God, I didn't steal anything.
So you weren't bagging the stuff up in the toy section?
No.
Okay, we're all gonna go to the security office right now.
Don't put me in handcuffs.
Imagine being a kid, staring up at all the toys you've ever wanted, only to hear the words, "Go ahead, pick anything you like, and we don't even have to pay." Sounds like a dream, right? But for one mother and her young daughter, this dream quickly turned into a nightmare. In today's video, we're diving into the story of a shoplifting incident that escalated fast. Let's see how it all unfolded.
My receipt already. My receipt. Oh my God, I didn't steal anything. My car, then look for my receipt. I dropped it. I've already been to this aisle. I didn't steal. I'm here all the time.
Okay, where's your receipt?
I dropped it then. I didn't steal anything.
So you weren't bagging the stuff up in the toy section?
No.
Then what, I guess I was imagining things then.
Yeah, you were. I was not.
All right, just hang tight. So, why don't we go into the security office and
Let me put my daughter in the car then.
Huh?
Let me just put her in the car.
No. Okay, we're all gonna go to the security office right now and review the footage.
I'm not putting her in front of my kid.
Okay. Stop.
Please don't put me in handcuffs. Okay, don't put me in handcuffs. Don't put me in handcuffs.
Stop.
Don't put me in handcuffs.
Stop.
Okay, don't put me in handcuffs.
I will put you in handcuffs because you're not listening and you're walking away from me.
I'm not.
I'm detaining you right now.
I'll give you my. I'll buy it again. I have my debit card. I will give you. I bought that, and I will give you my debit card.
Please don't put my money in jail. Please, please, officer, please don't put my money in jail.
All right.
Go and I'll walk.
No.
Please.
We're going to the security office right now.
Okay.
So we can review. It's okay, sweetie.
That's my money. Please,
It was by card 11 when it came.
Can I at least pay for it again?
Right now? No.
Yeah, why? I've already paid for it. I've already paid for it. Sir, I paid for it.
Our story begins with a mother and her 5-year-old daughter at a store, filling up bags in the toy section. But soon, store security steps in, questioning her actions. The mother denies stealing, but the security officer insists on reviewing the footage. As tensions rise, so does the child's worry. No child wants to see their parent in trouble.
We'll see.
Okay, but I've been in here twice today. Please let me pay for it again then. I have money.
We're going to watch the video.
Okay, and then what?
And then, if you concealed stuff without paying for it, then you're probably going to go to jail.
But I have the money for it.
It doesn't matter. The crime is already committed. Come on, sweetie.
Sure, but I'll pay for it.
It's a little late. It's too late for that.
Come on, look what you're doing to my kid. Please,
Yes.
can I just pay for whatever you're thinking I took?
No, it's too late.
No, it's not. Please.
Stop.
Why are you
Just
being
stop.
so mean? I'm not moving
Have a
from you,
seat.
but you see let go
Have
of
a
my
seat.
arm.
Please, please.
Have a seat with mommy.
I don't want money to go to jail.
I'm not, because I already bought this stuff.
Oh,
I bought those 2 things earlier.
Boston, forget the kid. It's going to be a lot.
It's not a lot. I have the receipt.
Okay, Mommy, I don't want you to go to jail.
I have the receipt.
Where's the receipt?
There.
Where's
it,
the-
it was in the bag, dude. It's not in my
Sit down, calm down.
body. That's not
Well, then,
fair.
if it's in the bag, then we'll find it. Sit down, calm down.
That's not
Sit
fair.
down.
I didn't steal anything. I didn't steal anything, dude.
Who's this?
My husband.
My wife in there?
Do you have a little
You have
girl?
the other receipt? You have the other receipt?
What's going on?
Where's my mommy?
So, your wife, we believe that your wife has concealed items.
Okay.
I gave her a
Okay.
gift card.
Okay, calm down. She's being detained right now. We're going to review the video. Okay. Do you have a receipt for the items?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh,
Is-
No, I
do you have another
I
receipt?
gave her a gift card.
I understand. But do you have a receipt for the toys and stuff that she had?
Yeah.
I have no idea.
Okay.
Where's my mommy?
So,
Whatever it is, I'll buy it.
just hang tight. Sweetie. Sweetie, you can come out with your daddy. Here.
It's not the receipt for those other things. I had it in a bag. I'll pay for it.
Here's the receipt that he has.
Now, the mother insists she can pay for the items, but the store policy is clear. Once an item leaves without payment, it's theft. She begs, promising to pay, but the security officer is firm, saying the crime has already been committed. The situation grows increasingly tense as the daughter clings to her mother, hoping she won't be taken away.
There's another one. Is there a fire 43? Guys, I promise. There's another receipt. I'm a good person. I don't steal. It's a blanket.
I'm guessing this is your personal blanket.
Yes, and her stuff is in here.
Okay.
Where's her ID? I don't have it. It's in my car. Can you please have her baby and her toys that she carries with her and her
Yes,
stuff?
we'll give them to him. Relax. Calm down.
Sir, I already bought that other stuff, okay? I swear I did. There's my gift. There's my gift.
Calm down. Sit down.
down. It's right there. There's my gift.
What's your last name?
Middle initial? Huh? Middle initial?
I mean,
Just-
does she not have to? I gave her a gift card.
I understand. Give us a minute. We're going to review the video. Okay? Just give us a minute. Okay?
I'm gonna take them to the
Is there any
Yeah, this whole thing right here.
I was going to the register. You get my... Come on. I have the money right there. I have
Sit.
the money.
Sit.
Please give me a chance
Sit.
to pay for it.
It's too late for that.
No, sir, please don't take me to jail. Stupid friggin' squishmallows. I was going to pay for them.
You just admitted you were gonna pay for them. You just admitted that.
I already had paid. There's my gift
Sit.
card.
There's this right here. Meet me in AP, please.
Just squishmallows, guys. I was going to the register. Please.
Frank, can you copy?
How am I going to accuse of something I didn't do? I didn't steal all that stuff. I have a receipt,
Relax.
sir.
Calm down.
No, I'm not. Calm down. You did that in front of my kid. I have the receipt for the other things.
I'm gonna $55 at 29 for you.
Go for it. I'm not going to press my promise. I didn't. I won't. Please.
Naples,
I
5 Charlie. Naples 5 Charlie 11, 65 at 29 by number.
Whatever you want. I have money.
Hey, this is the third witness.
All right. You know, I pull the
Close
pallet.
the door really quick.
I pull the pallet. Like, when I pull the pallet, you know, when somebody is paying. That's what I see, but I thought you would pay for it, though. You know? That's it. Because that's what you would keep.
Oh, I'm sorry. I don't have them.
You know, just like when you pull pallet, you see
I'll have to have you
somebody.
just type a statement. That's all.
Please.
I'm a lunch, so should I just.
Let's do, man.
Take me to jail. I already bought the other things. Please.
Just when things seem at their worst, the father arrives, trying to help. But as he tries to show a gift card he had given his wife, it's clear that the store isn't backing down. The mother, visibly upset, tries to explain, but the tension remains high. It's a heartbreaking scene for everyone involved, especially the little girl caught in the middle.
Please. You guys are happy about some squishmallows?
Ma'am, I'm never happy about.
I know, but
this ever.
I paid for the other things. Can I please go home?
What time did you pay for?
I was here at like 1:26. We came back to get those for the kids.
Sit.
I I didn't steal
Can you
it.
just Mirandize her? Because she's just...
Hmm?
Can you just Mirandize her?
Yeah,
She
no.
just keeps...
No, I'll stop then. I'll stop. Can I go home now?
You have my
So, we fucked lunch after the thing.
You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in a court of law. You have the right to have a lawyer and have him present with you while you are being questioned. If you cannot afford to hire a lawyer, one will be appointed to represent you before any questioning. If you decide to answer any questions without a lawyer present, you have the right to stop answering at any time until you talk to a lawyer. Do you understand?
Yeah.
Okay.
You'll get bonded out right away?
Yeah. Unless you're a convicted felon.
Here I am.
Well, then no.
Why are you guys arresting me? Over a squishmallow? Why are you arresting me?
For theft.
A squishmallow that I was going to pay for? Alright.
So bypassing the self-checkout.
It's alright, it's alright. My mom's an attorney. Don't worry about it.
Okay.
Both your names. How was that
Because
legal?
you can't walk out of the store with
Well,
merchandise.
I
you
apologize,
haven't
and
paid
I was
for.
coming right back. I wasn't trying to. I've
And
never
they were
stolen
trying
in
to
my
stop
life.
you, and I pulled up in front of
Because he
you.
tried to grab me. Nobody's gonna grab me. I was going to my car. How are you gonna arrest me for this?
Because you passed all points of sale
But I was
without
just
paying
going
for
back to
it.
get my card out of my
Then you
car.
should have left the
I
cart.
wouldn't even
Then I apologize.
argue with her and things.
So, give me.
I shouldn't be arrested for this. I was getting my other money out of my car. Are you gonna give me another charge? That people kill each other here in Naples and worry about me going to get another car. I make plenty of money. I don't need to be friggin' accused of theft.
It's going to be at
More money than you
5012
guys do.
Catalina Port, 5012 Catalina Port, 2084.
This is these are the
I tried to-
contract items.
Yeah.
We don't know what. We know this is.
What is
Yeah. We know
Can I
this
at least
is.
have my
Yes.
debit card back?
All of
My
this?
money?
All this is stolen. We gotta figure this out. I'm 99% sure it's stolen.
That's not.
In the end, the store enforces its policy. The mother is handcuffed and led away, leaving her daughter in tears. It's a powerful reminder of how quickly decisions can impact lives, especially when little ones are involved. Later, it was revealed that the mother was already on probation, making this incident even more serious.
Or she just told me, but then that was it.
No, it's not though. So you're gonna take my items too? Are you serious? Where's my debit card that I had? My gift card that you guys took?
Can you sit down?
Yeah, but it has $186 on it. That's not fair. I mean, accused of stealing and you're gonna take my gift card? Look, you guys have to understand.
This is your copy.
Give my stuff to my husband.
Yes. Okay. Relax.
No, I'm pissed off. I didn't steal
I understand.
I didn't steal
Let's
anything.
stop yelling at me.
More money. I have $186 on here. I went to the car. Come on, man.
All right. Before we go, hold on.
Is this
I'm gonna-
purse?
Yes. And that blanket and the ID.
Please, let me just give it to, can I please talk to my kids?
Hey.
Please. I didn't steal anything. I was going out to my car. Please. Please. Stop. I'm going
Put your-
to
no, Put it down.
Well, no, that's.
I didn't steal anything. Oh my
Give me your
God.
hand.
Don't make it 20-minute work watching shots and run all day. Alright, I'm gonna go get a receipt. All of this is stolen. We have to.
No, it's not.
You just see you on video right now grabbing that wagon.
Oh my God. No, it was not. I'm not running. I'm not going from.
I'm trying to direct you
Well,
where
I'm
you
trying
need to
get
go.
my husband the keys.
I'll give it to him. Stand over there. Over there. I'll give it to him in a second. I gotta put
No
this stuff down.
Oh, search me all you want. I love you. Please call the 100 now.
Do you want your phone to go with you?
Yeah. What? All right, tell him I love him, Carl.
Do you want him to have this?
Yeah, it's got all the money on it. Baby, call all out. EMS is coming because I'm starting to detoxing of my Suboxone.
All right, turn around. Widen your stance.
You don't need to kick me.
I didn't kick you.
Yeah, you did.
The mother faced felony charges, with this incident ultimately leading to jail time. But this story also makes us think, how do these choices affect the people we love most? Let us know your thoughts in the comments, and remember to subscribe for more real-life stories and insights.